Hello, you got this picture?
We are here today because a whopping 94% of the American people support the Equal Rights Amendment in the Constitution of the United States. And it is an amendment that is long overdue.
I think this is a pretty universal issue, and I think it's bipartisan. I think that this Republican women want this just as bad as Democratic women. I think that, again, the fact that women are not protected under the Constitution is the most absurd thing I've ever heard. It's 2018, and the only way to guarantee that our rights aren't rolled back is to pass an ERA. The only way to guarantee equal pay for equal work is to pass the ERA. And the only guarantee that my daughter won't have to deal with the sexual harassment and assault that I had to deal with in my life is to pass the ERA.
What like-minded men who are here in support of the Equal Rights Amendment? There was a tremendous push in the 70s where we passed it and 35 states ratified it. Many people thought that the bill had passed, but it didn't. And so 2 other states have ratified it, and we hope that a 3rd will ratify it, and we can move forward with this cause of ours.
Constitutional equality for women.
The document, our Constitution, protects our rights, and it 242 years ago proclaimed that all men were equal. Women were left out. And the only time we've been in the Constitution was for the right to vote.
The ERA is also an economic issue. It has been proven that when women earn more, the economy thrives. It helps stimulate the economy. And the ERA would help ensure equal pay for women.
So at some point, we have to say, time is up. So we are returning to the traditional role of women, cleaning up the mess, demanding hearings, demanding action to take place on this important right for women. And we're saying to Congress that we are having our own hearing this Wednesday, and Alyssa and Carol and many other advocates are coming there to testify and be part of this hearing.
Yeah, everybody just get my shot with my boss, and then I'm going to get out of here.
We're doing a shadow hearing put together by Congresswoman Maloney. And basically, I'm going to be a witness and testifying about why we need the Equal Rights Amendment to pass.
That's very
And the current crop of congressional leaders have not only refused to do anything about it, they've refused to even talk about it. Think about it. Women are half the population of the great United States of America, yet the only guarantee that we have in the Constitution is the right to vote.
To everybody, this is an intergenerational, this is an interracial.
This is an important opportunity for members of Congress to reopen the discussion about rights of every woman in this country and the standard of equality that should be in our Constitution. And at a time when Me Too has become a rallying cry across the nation, we want to turn the slogan of Me Too into the reality of a constitutional amendment that will actually mean protections and support to American women.
Yes. What do we want?
The ERA.
When do we want it?
Now.
What do we want?
ERA.
When do we want it?
Now.
How did you find your outrage on this particular issue?
I was sexually assaulted a bunch of times. That'll do it.
While working in Hollywood?
Not only working in Hollywood, but just, from being a woman. I think when you're not protected under the Constitution, you're considered less than, and it breeds a societal viewpoint on that women can be taken advantage of and there are abuses of power that can take place. And I don't think that would be the case if we were protected under the Constitution.